Hello friends, welcome to my channel Informatica by Pujita. So friends, in this video I want to let you know about ancient world. In ancient world, human had started his life from stone tools, controlled fire, and how to build a shelter, clothing, spare, so many things they have started. So from that ancient world onwards, now present we are in artificial intelligence like robots and more technology. So we forgot that ancient world, in which year we have invented this and all. So I want to let you know the people regarding this. Thank you. Sewing. The history of sewing is closely related to history of tools. In this time, needles were made of ivory or bone. Sewing gave our early ancestors the opportunity to make clothing more closely tailored to human body, improving its insulation and comfort as well as inviting decoration. Early scraps of cloth found in France and Switzerland have included decorative seeds or animal teeth. Metal needles were developed in Bronze Age and initially were made of several strands of wire melted together. Needles from this era have been found in North Africa and China where steel was introduced. Coming to bows and arrows, it was from 20,000 BC. Evidence of the early use of bows and arrows has been found in cave paintings in Western Europe and North Africa. Bows and arrows were portable, easy to make, and the materials to make them were relatively easy to obtain. The arrow was a thin shaft of wood sharpened at one end with feathers attached to the other to give it stability. Arrowheads were made from flint or other rocks, and sometimes it can be made by human bones also. Modern bows are made from fiberglass, carbon and aluminium as well as wood, while the arrows are usually made of composite materials. Lunar calendar, it was from 15,000 BC. It is used to record the passing of time for early humans. Earliest known lunar calendar is in the caves at southwest France. Not only in the early world, at present some of the countries all over the world is using a lunar calendar. A lunar calendar counts months and is based on the phases of the moon. Months have 29 and 30 days alternatively, and additional days are added every now and then to keep step with the actual moon phase. The lunar calendar was widely used in parts of the ancient world for religious observation. Agriculturally, the lunar calendar is confusing as it takes no count of annual seasonal variations in temperature, daylight, length, plant growth, animal migration. So afterwards, solar calendar has been introduced, and from that time onwards, some of the countries are following the solar calendar. Coming to pottery, it was from 10,000 BCE. Japanese hunter-gatherers create the first fired clay pots. As applies to all early inventions, we do not know the name of the man or woman who invented pottery. No first potter carved his or her name or initials in the base of a pot to claim first prize. However, it has long been assumed that whoever the creative person was, he or she would have lived somewhere in the near east of Asia. Coming to oil lamp, the humble oil lamp may only be needed to provide light during the occasional power cut today. But for 1,000 years ago, it allowed man to see by night as well as provide decoration and symbolic power in ceremonies and festivals. The Romans mass produced clay lamps in the Middle Ages. Candles became popular, but these never produced a flame as bright as an oil lamp. However, in the 18th century, in the Industrial Revolution, provided the pressure necessary for innovation. In 1780, the scientist Aim Argand developed a brighter lamp with a metal casing that burned oil with a steady, smokeless flame. But with the advent of electric lighting, a civilization of old technology was finally laid to rest. So that's it, friends, for this video. We'll continue in next video and more inventions, the modern world and all. So if you like my video, please do like and share. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you.